What's up, my fellow Moonlight Craftsmen? We're just going to get right into the video. Today we're making a copper chimney cap. Right here you can see I was using SolidWorks Maker. Pretty cool little program. About $99 a month. It has all the functionality of the professional program, which is very expensive. And I know a lot of people on YouTube are using SketchUp, especially the woodworkers, but SolidWorks, it's pretty good for the metal worker. Has sheet metal features, weldment features for like tube and angle, and so I would recommend giving that a look if you're looking at different drawing programs. The Maker program you can't use for commercial use, but you want to learn how to use it anyways. But this copper chimney cap, it's going to be made out of 16th inch or 48 ounce copper for the base, which you see here. So this is a solid cap here because this chimney is not actually going to be in use. So we're just kind of covering the chimney and putting the roof on it and gonna make it look nice. So the top anyways, it's 16 ounce copper, which is about 26 gauge or about 20 thousandths of an inch thick. So like I said, from that SolidWorks, I just made all the flat patterns, printed them out, and I'm just using those to cut out all the sheet metal and get my dimensions right. Right here, this is going to be what's connected, what the roof is connected to, and getting the angle right. As you can see here on the brake, you can set a stop there, so if you have a degree in mind, you can repeat that. Pretty typical on brakes. And so I got a hole cut here, and that's where these vertical pieces are going to go. And we're going to wrap a screen around it. I used stainless screen. I didn't have any copper screen. Just kind of using what scrap materials I have around the shop, just because I'm trying to save a little money, I guess. And right here, this is a double cut by D-wall double cut. I guess you'd call it a saw, but just kind of cuts a sliver of metal out of there. Pretty handy for thin gauge materials. Before I was using the Milwaukee circular saw for the metal cutting circular saw for the thicker metal, which I'm welding right there. So that's kind of what it's going to look like there, the top part, and the roof will connect on to that, like I was saying. Getting this screen fitted around here. Looks like I'm going to have to make two pieces out of this screen. Not quite going to go all the way around, but I put one vertical there on the inside, wrapped the screen around, then coming back on the outside and putting another vertical in there to kind of sandwich that screen in there. And then I'm going to throw a couple rivets in each one of these verticals. They're solid copper rivets, using a rivet gun with a backup block on the back side. So yeah, if you guys, I enjoy seeing where all you guys are from. Let me know in the comments, what state are you from? I got people in different countries watching these videos: Philippines, India, Russia. So write down on there in the comments where you're from. Unless you're in like the witness protection program, then probably don't do that. But as you can see, here's the top, thinner copper, like I was saying. Got a hem on the bottom that just slips right on that thicker top portion there, and gonna rivet that to hold that in place. Just a hip roof design with standing seams. So this doesn't have to be exactly watertight, like I was saying, because the very bottom base, it's going to keep out any water, but it should be watertight anyways. Here to get this one on, couldn't hem that all the way first, so leave it a little underbroke, then bend that hem around, get that locked in there using some tongs, tong, and a few more rivets. Get that locked right in place there. Also it does help a lot if you go ahead and share the video. Somebody who might enjoy it on your favorite social media platform, which we all know is YouTube. Getting a second one in here. Pretty simple little project. Probably actually the hardest part is drawing it, but gonna go ahead and weld these up here at the top. Like I said, it doesn't have to be watertight in this instance, but I went ahead and did it. You could solder this. Right here I just got some copper rod. Like I said, just using what I got in the shop. Clean it up a little bit with wire wheel. Setting it on the chimney there, using some lead mushroom anchors. They should be alright with this copper. And there you have it, guys. That's it. Hey, leave me a question in the bottom there in the comments, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.